One of the 3D effects that you can create using Illustrator is to revolve a profile curve 360 degrees about an axis to create a 3D object. To do this, it's always a good idea to start with a guide to mark the center axis. That way the points will line up on either side. You can then draw the profile curve using the pen tool or one of the other tools that you have available. For this example, we'll create a simple wine glass by first sketching the profile of the glass in this manner. I can then use the direct selection tool to make any modifications to the glass that I feel are needed. It's important to have the access points line up with one another, or we'll have some overlap when we do our revolution. Once the points are in place, select the Effect 3D Revolve menu command. This opens up the 3D Revolve Options dialog box. It's helpful to enable the preview option, but this will slow down the resulting display. You'll then want to set your offset and determine the correct edge to revolve about. In the top, you can select from several different preview positions, including the back of the object, the right, the top, and the bottom. There are also several isometric views that you can see the object from an angle. You can also click and drag the cube here to see it from all different angles. If you want to enter in custom degrees, you can do that as well. There's also a perspective option that you can use to distort the object to reflect the different perspectives that you might see. The surface options let you change between several different shading types: plastic diffuse and wireframe. There are also more options that you can use, and you can set the glass so it only displays a partial revolution instead of the full revolution. The cap options let you specify whether a cap appears at the top or bottom of the object. As long as the points lined up, caps aren't necessary.